If a son is walking away from home because of a disagreement with his father, who's he angry with? The father. And if it was one of you guys, Allah will give me justice. But as he's walking away, he's thinking about his father. He's not saying, Ya Allah, you know dad was wrong about this, right? Ya Allah, give me justice against my dad. No. وَاغْفِرْ لِي أَبِي. Master, forgive my father. إِنَّهُ كَانَ مِنَ الضَّالِّينَ. By the time we get to this scene, you can tell Ibrahim has left. He's making dua like this. You don't stand in front of your father and say, وَاغْفِرْ لِي أَبِي. Forgive my dad. He's been lost. He's gone now. He's alone now. And when he's away from his father, he's making dua not against him, not complaining, look at what my dad did. Allah knows what you did to me. No, he's actually making dua for his father when he's alone. And saying, Ya Allah, forgive my father. Now it's been some time since he's been seen. Maybe it's been a day, maybe it's been 2 days, maybe it's been a week, we don't know. But he doesn't know that his father is lost and misguided today. He doesn't know that. He just knows the last time I saw him, he was misguided. فَلَمْ يَقُلْ إِنَّهُ مِنَ الضَّالِّينَ قَالْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ مِنَ الضَّالِّينَ. Last I saw him, he was from the lost. Oh, maybe it's changed. Somebody has an impression they left on you of how they were the last you saw them. It's been a while, and in your head, they're exactly the same way you left them. Nothing has changed. He recognizes, as committed as his father was to his religion, so committed he kicked his son out, ready to kill. All of that happened. But you know what? Still, Allah can change the hearts at any moment. So yeah, forgive my father. He was, last I knew, from those that are wrong. And I'm adding last I knew because of the word kana there. إِنَّهُ كَانَ مِنَ الضَّالِّينَ وَلَا تُخْزِنِي يَوْمَ يُبْعَثُونَ. Ya Allah, don't humiliate me on the day when they're going to be raised. For example, in this world, if somebody commits a crime, like your son committed a crime, and somebody comes to you and say, hey, your son is the one that's in jail, right? Isn't that embarrassing? Or somebody's father got convicted and got the death penalty. Hey, didn't your father get lethal injection? Oh yeah, sorry about that. It's humiliating when your father's crime is being remembered. He's asking Allah when Judgment Day comes, don't humiliate me on Judgment Day. وَلَا تُخْزِنِي يَوْمَ يُبْعَثُونَ. He recognizes that. And he's afraid of that humiliation. He's not afraid of any humiliation where? In this life. Somebody asked him, where are you? Well, I'm homeless. I don't have a home. My father didn't tolerate me. My people were ready to kill me. Pretty humiliating to be homeless. Not worried about that. The only humiliation he's worried about is Judgment Day. يَوْمَ الدِّينِ وَلَا تُخْزِنِي يَوْمَ يُبْعَثُونَ.